can't find my push pins.
Hey Amy, I have your book. Ouch!
Are you okay?
Ouch! Ouch, my foot!
Oh man, I've been looking for this all day.
Seriously, the clear push pins are unsafe, Amy.
Thanks, Lily. These push pins are more safe.
And cuter too.
Oh my god, what a huge diamond. How much was it?
Just $20,000.
$20,000?
You could buy it, it's super cheap.
No money. How could I buy a diamond? Now my diamond's bigger than yours.
Yeah, you're right. Oh no! Be careful, Amy.
Oh my gosh, you have to be careful. I can't use my cup anymore.
Now you can use your cup as a pen holder.
Thank you.
I like this jewelry set. How much are they?
Just $500.
$500 for this? Are you kidding me? I'm out of money. How can I get jewelry? Now I have my own jewelry and I love it. Hey Amy, can I read with you?
Yeah.
Huh? What is this?
Darn, my bookmark.
Oops. Sorry.
Thanks, Lily. It's even better than my old bookmark.
No problem.
Let's read together. Hey, Lily, do you want to...
Oh my gosh, Amy, my phone!
Sorry.
Man, my phone is broken. I wish I had a phone case. Thanks for the phone case, Amy. I love it. Now my phone's protected.
No problem. Now do you want to try my cupcake?
Yeah.